It's 2 a.m. Your eyes are burning. You have to be up in exactly 4 hours, and you are exhausted to your very core. But what are you doing? You're scrolling. You're watching a video about a guy building a swimming pool out of mud, or reading an argument in a comments section from 2018. You know you should be asleep. Your brain is practically begging you to close your eyes, but you just can't stop. If you do this every single night and then wake up hating yourself for it, this video is for you.
Today, we are unboxing the strange, self-sabotaging phenomenon known as revenge bedtime procrastination. Let's adjust our glasses and dive in.
Here's the thing. Most people think staying up late when you're tired is a time management problem. They tell you to just put the phone away or buy a round sleep mask, which, for the record, does not work if your head is a literal square. But psychology tells us a different story. This isn't about time at all. It's about emotion regulation. The word revenge here sounds dramatic, but it's incredibly accurate. You aren't staying awake because you're full of energy. You're staying awake because you are angry. Let's look at your day. From the moment you woke up, your time was not your own. You were rushed by your alarm clock. You went to school or work where you were bombarded by demands from bosses, teachers, or clients. You gave all your mental energy to pleasing the crowd or fighting off the stress of everyday life. Throughout the day, your sense of autonomy, your freedom to choose what you want to do, was completely hijacked. By the time 11 p.m. rolls around, the world finally goes quiet. Nobody needs anything from you. So, your brain makes a desperate, irrational calculation. It says, I will sacrifice my physical need for sleep just to feel like I have control over my own life for a few hours.
But as we all know, tomorrow morning's exhaustion is a terrible price to pay. So how do we actually fix this without feeling trapped? The secret isn't a stricter bedtime. It's stealing back micro moments of freedom during the day. We call these micro-rebellions. If you spend 15 minutes on your lunch break doing something entirely for yourself, not answering emails, not studying, just listening to your favorite music, you give your brain a small dose of autonomy. Second, you need a transition ritual, a clear boundary between their time and my time. When you log off, physically close the laptop, signal to your brain that the revenge is no longer necessary.
It's completely normal to crave control in a loud, demanding world. You aren't broken. You're just looking for a little peace and quiet. But remember, the ultimate form of self-care and the ultimate freedom is letting yourself rest. If this video helped you understand yourself a little better, hit that subscribe button. Now, seriously, put the phone down and go to sleep. We'll be here tomorrow.